Welcome! Today I'm showing how to remove SIM pin from your SIM card into a CUBOT R19. Firstly, open your settings and find security and location option, this one. Then go into and scroll down and click to advanced option. Then swipe down to the bottom, and here we got SIM card lock. Then choose your SIM card for unblocking and click here to unblock this card. For unlocking, you need to enter your PIN and click OK. And that's it. Now we remove our SIM pin from SIM card. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.